Now pitching for the Milwaukee Brewers, Danny.
Guess I better stick to baking. The start of the baseball season is just over a week away. So this week, we're going to create a delicious treat inspired by our nation's pastime. That's right, get ready to step up to the plate with some Cracker Jack fudge. Now to get started on our fudge, we're going to take a saucepan. We're going to turn on to about a 3 or a 4. We're going to put in 1 10-ounce package of dark chocolate chips. Add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. We are going to let the chocolate melt down. Make sure it is well combined with the sweetened condensed milk. Chocolate's going to melt down pretty quickly, so I would keep stirring it just to make sure nothing burns here on the stove. And once our chocolate and sweetened condensed milk have combined into a delicious, thick fudge, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything. Still thick, but not as thick as it was. 2 1-ounce boxes of Cracker Jack. Oh, almost lost my prize. Into the chocolate. There we go. Give it all a good mix. There, you have it. And we're going to head back to the counter and keep going. We're going to take an 8x8 pan, line it with aluminum foil, slide it into the pan. We're not quite done yet. We're going to take another box or 2 of Cracker Jack. The prize was very easy to get out that time. Thank you very much. Sprinkle it over the fudge. It should look something like that. We're going to pop it in the fridge, and we're going to let it harden, and then we will take it out, and we will cut into it, and we'll see how it is. While we're waiting, should we look at the prizes? Let's see. I got a sticker! It says I get to unlock classic games. Visit crackerjack.com, follow directions, and start playing. You know what? That's too much work, so I'm just going to take my sticker, and I got another sticker. Let's try the final one. It's a sticker. Wow. Remember as a kid you got like flip books and tops and little action figures? I think I got one of the dog ones. What's the dog's name? Bingo? He's Jack. What's the dog's name? If you know, drop a comment below. I think it's Bingo, right? And after a while, we're going to get our fudge out of the refrigerator. We're going to pull back the sides of the aluminum foil, and you can see the delicious fudge. And there you have it. Give this a shot, see if you like it. It really is a very fun, baseball, summer-inspired type of treat. It'll be great for a backyard party or barbecue. So give it a shot at home, see if you like it. I think you will. That's going to do it for us this week here on Simmer Down. Thanks for watching. We will see you again very soon with another recipe and a lot more fun. So stay tuned and take care. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you very soon. Bye-bye.